Negotiations over the relocation of 342 families from Them Ïewmawlong or Sweepers Lane in Shillong are advancing with representatives from the Meghalaya state government and the Harijan Panchayat Committee or HPC holding several meetings. Today, a joint session involving both parties and a senior Delhi Gurudwara leader addressed various concerns related to the Sweepers Lane issue. Deputy Chief Minister Prastoon Song, in a post-meeting press briefing, reported a positive outcome. While the HPC seeks additional consultations on the relocation matter, the state government has granted them time until the second week of January 2024 for a conclusive discussion on moving the families to a government-designated location.
I've already told you, we are yet to touch that issue. Because right now what we wanted is at least we need to be unanimous in shifting and relocating from that place to the new place.
So the second week of January will be the last final set meeting?
Yes, I'm very sure. I'm very sure by next year or not before second week of January 2024, we'll be able to reach to the conclusion of the meeting.
Thank you.
Yeah, no, the modified blueprint is like this. The existing quarters, existing office of municipal board, we have about 2.05 acres or something, 2.14, and the additional land, because it is not enough to accommodate all the 342 families. So ultimately, we considered one more additional plot, which is about 1.4 acres area. So we have shown them, and for more or less, as I said to you, things is now in line for the final discussion.
रिलोकेशन के लिए जो बातचीत चल रहा था उसी पे डिस्कस हुआ है, तो अभी थोड़ा सा और एक दो पॉइंट है, इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट है, उसके लिए फिर जनवरी फर्स्ट वीक में मीटिंग होगा.
You see, this is our second meeting. There were few points which we raised in the previous meeting. Some of those points they have considered, and there are certain things which are yet to be finalized, to be decided from either side. So now the HPC people, they will discuss the issues what we have discussed today in the meeting with their people, and then we'll again discuss those issues in the next meeting that is scheduled to be held in the second week of January.
Can you tell us those few points that
No, that I can't tell you, but yes, the meeting was on a good note. Hopefully they'll discuss, and if they are agreed, then those points will be discussed in the next meeting, and hopefully some solution will be reached.